The new 2021 GMC Canyon was revealed in the mountains of Colorado, including a first-ever Canyon AT4 aimed squarely at premium midsize truck customers who purchase their trucks to venture off-road. The AT4 brings capability and appeal to the updated Canyon range. The new 2021 Canyon AT4 broadens the appeal to midsize truck customers who live an active lifestyle, said Duncan Aldred, Vice President of Global Buick and GMC. Much like the Sierra AT4 has attracted new customers from outside GMC, the Canyon AT4 will attract outdoor enthusiasts looking for a premium midsize truck to GMC with the capability, technology and refinement they've come to expect. The GMC Canyon AT4 advances the brand's commitment to offering premium off-road capable vehicles with impressive styling details. Bolder exterior design is defined by dark chrome finishes, with a new larger grille design and red recovery hooks. The interior features premium detailing, including unique Kalahari stitching and AT4 headrest embroidery, which brings the Canyon interior design in line with its stablemates. Refined GMC Canyon Denali. GMC designers enhanced the iconic Denali grille with a more sculpted and layered pattern. Coupled with 5-inch chrome assist steps, signature chrome accents and Denali exclusive 20-inch diamond-cut aluminum wheels, the new Canyon Denali is modernized with a new look similar to the new Sierra and Sierra HD trucks. Denali represents GMC's bold design philosophy, and these changes further elevate the Canyon from the mainstream competition, while delivering a modern look for the customer, said Holt Ware, director of GMC Exterior Design. It features a more distinctive and sophisticated design that has become synonymous with Denali. Interior refinements include authentic open-pore ash wood trim, aluminum decor and unique stitching. A new cocoa dark atmosphere color theme further elevates the Denali interior and gives customers more options. Standard heated and ventilated front seats with a heated steering wheel increase driver comfort. The new Canyon Denali and AT4 are powered by a best-in-class 308 horsepower, 230 kilowatts 3.6 L V6 engine. Additional power comes from an available 2.8L diesel engine, offering 369 pound-feet, 500 Newton-meters of torque. The new 2021 GMC Canyon is built at GM's Wentzville Assembly Center in Wentzville, Missouri.